Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to communicate effectively with your team in Overwatch. Call out enemy positions. Use voice chat or text chat to call out where enemies are located, especially low health targets or flankers. Ultimate status updates. Regularly update your team on your ultimate charge status and ask for theirs to coordinate combos. Target focus. Coordinate with your team to focus fire on specific enemies, especially supports or key threats. Initiate pushes. Call out when to push forward as a team to capitalize on advantages or initiate engagements. Retreat calls. Signal when it's time to retreat to avoid staggering deaths or regroup after a lost fight. Flanker alerts. Notify your team if you spot enemy flankers attempting to disrupt your backline. Request healing. Politely request healing when you need it, and provide your healers with your location. Coordinate ultimates. Plan and coordinate ultimates with your team to maximize their impact. Zayras Graviton Surge combo with Hanzo's Dragon Strike. Enemy ultimate tracking. Track enemy ultimates and warn your team when they might be preparing to use them. Positioning adjustments. Suggest adjustments to your team's positioning based on the enemy team's composition or strategy. Protecting supports. Call for assistance to protect your supports from enemy threats, especially flankers. Objective focus. Remind your team to focus on objectives, whether capturing a points or pushing a payload. Cooldown awareness. Communicate the status of your abilities and encourage your team to wait for the key cooldowns before engaging. Adaptation suggestions. Offer suggestions for switching heroes or adjusting strategy based on the match progressions. Acknowledging good plays. Encourage your teammates by acknowledging good plays or successful team efforts. Map specific strategies. Share strategies or tips specific to the map being played to gain a tactical advantage. And that's how to communicate effectively with your team in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.